So, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, many of the people had a difficulty in understanding the Hindi because different people have joined from various parts of India. So, I have brought you the simple steps to how to do your day one assignment in English. So, here's a video. So, in this assignment, they have like provided one podcast which we have to listen and understand it, and to complement the podcast, they have also given one white paper explaining the introduction to the AI agents. And to complete your Kaggle project, you need to do various code labs. There are two code labs. In first code lab, you have to build your first agent using the Gemini and the ADK. ADK are for those who are using other sources like the Visual Code. They need to install the ADK. Otherwise, there's no need to install an ADK. And the second project is to build first multi-agent system using the ADK. But guys, make sure your phone number with your Kaggle account is verified before starting because it's necessary for the code labs. There's also a troubleshooting guide for the code labs which is given on their website, which you can obviously refer for troubleshooting your codes if you're exploring new things and etc. Okay? So let's get started. Also, we have one live class on YouTube at 11 a.m. That's today. Maybe it's like 12:30 a.m. or something, in which they will be explaining all the stuff possible. So for completing your assignment, you first need to have an API key. For an API key, we will go to the Google AI Studio. We will just simply type Google AI Studio on Google and click on the first link. You will end up seeing this interface. For creating an API key, you need not to do not anything. You just have to click on Create API Key located on the top right corner. Then name your key. For example, I'm naming here it as key 2. For underneath, you can see choose an imported project. Since you don't have any project, you can just simply click on create new project and give it a name. I had a project already created, so I'm choosing that project for creating the key. Now I will click on create key to create the key which we can paste in our Kaggle account. So it will take some time to create the key. And now our key is successfully created. You can see the first key. In the key, you can see the name key 2 because I have created the key with the name as key 2 and selected the project as Gen AI. So it's showing the project as Gen AI. Now we have to go to our Kaggle account and click on the first link to do our first assignment, in which we have to build the Crick agent. In the first assignment, you need not to do anything. You just have to click on copy and edit button. There's a certain list of codes given in. You can read through this code, but if you want to do your assignment really fast, you just have to click on the copy and edit button, and it will start your assignment. After clicking on the copy and edit button, you will end up in an interface like this. Here, you have to click on add-ons. After loading the page, you will see when you will click on add-on, you will see secrets. You have to click on that, and actually my add secret key button have been hidden. The arrow indicating you will see the add secret key. You can click on that add secret key button, and after clicking on that add secret key button, you will end up in an interface like that. Give your key a name, and you have to give a specific name to your key. It is mentioned in this notebook. You have to give Google underscore API underscore key, and all should be in capital letters. Just copy the key name and paste it there, and now go to back to your Google AI Studio, copy the value of the API key. Now go back to your Kaggle account, paste the value of the API key, and then click on save. After saving it, just remember to tick this box so that your notebook can be integrated with the API key. Now click on cross and run all button to run all the commands in the notebook so that all the commands can be run. After clicking on run all, you can click on save versions. When you will save it, you will be seeing an interface indicating that you want to save. My save button is hidden. You can see the arrow indicating you will see the save button, and voila, your project is saved successfully. You can also see your works, like the project which you have saved. uh, you have to click on left top corner or the three horizontal lines. Then you will see your works written. When you will click on your works, you will see the project submitted by you, and voila, your first assignment is submitted successfully. For more such videos, follow, like, and subscribe this channel for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.